in pursuit of its goals and objectives to make a profit?
That's a great question, Brian, because the idea of cost versus benefit analysis is really the foundation of economics. In economics, you know that for every benefit you pursue, you have to sacrifice something else. Why? Because your time is limited, your resources are limited. If you do it by the virtue of pursuing one course of action, you are foregoing the opportunity of pursuing alternative courses of action. So for every action, you should expect a benefit. And if there is no benefit, then you are wasting resources, you are wasting opportunities, and which is enormous amount of cost. So generally, you can actually draw down the diagram of the cost of an action that is leading to a benefit. And then you can define irrational actions. Irrational actions are those that have higher cost than benefit. The wonderful thing about irrational actions is that they are not sustainable. People do all kinds of irrational behavior and try to justify it for themselves. But to paraphrase Shakespeare, failure by any other name is just as costly. And it is that high cost that eventually brings people to change course. So for example, you mentioned the incident at the BP Texas City refinery. The cost of that incident is going to bring people to start thinking that maybe we need to change course. We cannot continue.
Whenever you have an incident like this, believe it or not, it does have some benefits to both the company where it happened as well as other companies and other industries, because now there's values that can be placed on the risks. The probability of a major incident might be low, but if it does happen, the cost